So a lot of you have asked what is kind of my signature quick 5-minute go-to look. Well, I call it the Bronx Goddess Glow. And it's 4 easy steps. I start with my JLo Beauty Serum. You gotta prep the skin. And this is when you need to do something really quick for a fun girls' night out. You don't wanna be too fussy. You're not trying to impress nobody. You're just trying to look your best. That blockbuster. Whoop. All the way down the neck, down into the décolletage. First, take eye cream. Put it here, put it here. Kind of massage that in. JLo Beauty Complexion Booster. Put it all in contour areas. Pink champagne, and I'd use it as a highlighter. On the nose, the lip. Call that the Bronx Goddess Glow. But if you want to, add a little bit of gloss. A little bit of lip gloss never hurt anybody. No mascara. And that's optional. This is not optional. Bronx Beauty. You gotta have your hoops. And there it is. If you really want to take it to the next level, just lay down those baby hairs just a little bit. JLo Beauty. That Bronx Goddess Glow.